Very sharp words coming from Jeb Bush in New Hampshire yesterday. He said he takes these comments personally, given that his wife is a Mexican, and called Trump's words extraordinarily ugly.
I don't assume he thinks that every Mexican crossing the border is a rapist. I mean, so he's doing this to inflame and to incite and to draw attention, which seems to be his organizing principle of his campaign. And it doesn't represent the Republican Party or its values.
And Trump has been doubling down and continued to defend his remarks, and he shot back late last night to the charge that Bush made that he's just trying to get attention for his campaign. And he pointed the finger right back at Jeb Bush, saying in his statement, quote, "I never said that all Mexicans crossing the border are rapists. Jeb is mischaracterizing my statements only to inflame." Now, all of this back and forth, of course, comes at a time when Republicans are, of course, very eager to make inroads with Hispanic voters. And that's why we've seen, as Bush argued, as Mitt Romney also argued this weekend, that it's only hurting the GOP's chances, Allison, with this very important group of voters.